Hello students, today we will discuss about how to find the area of triangle or area of polygons. Okay, when you know the vertices, coordinate of the vertices. So the question is how to find area of triangle, or you can say polygon with given coordinates of vertices. Okay, so when you know the coordinate of vertices, how to find the area of triangle or polygon. So something I can expect from the student is that my expectation is students know how to compute the value of determinant. Okay, you know matrix and determinant, so I'm expecting that you know how to compute the determinant of a matrix, or simply to know how to find the determinant. Okay, so let us consider a triangle. Okay, suppose the coordinate is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Okay, then area, the formula of area is given by determinant of x1 x2 x3 y1 y2 y3 1 1 1. Okay, so this is the area of triangle. Compute this determinant, you will find the area of triangle. Clear? So what about if I consider, suppose, a quadrilateral? Okay, so suppose this is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 and x4 y4. You do one thing, you just draw a diagonal. Okay, then you have two triangles. This is suppose triangle 1 and triangle 2. So the area of quadrilateral is equal to just sum the area of triangle 1 and triangle 2. Okay, you know how to find area of triangle 1 and triangle 2 because for both the triangles you have the vertices. Okay, so with that, using this formula, you can compute the area of each triangle, and accordingly you can find the area of quadrilateral. Now suppose this is a polygon. Polygon means you don't know how many sides are there, means you know for a particular polygon. Suppose this is the thing, so you just choose one vertex. Okay, you draw lines to connect the opposite vertices. Then you have several triangles. Okay, in this case you have 4 triangles. Compute the area of 4 triangles. This area of polygon is equal to sum of area of triangle. Okay, so this is I equal to 1 2. Here it is suppose 4, so I can write 4. If it is 5, then 5. Okay, and how to compute this? You can compute this using the same formula. So this is how you can compute the area of polygon. Okay, so these are the basic things. So in the next video I will show you how to translate and rotate the coordinate axis, then we will go for the problem session. Okay, thank you.